Hello, I'm Divya. This is my submission for the Valura AI team lead submission assignment. I have built an fast API microservice that works like a AI companion for business investors. The system classifies user intent in a single LLM call and routes it back to the right agent and streams everything back using server-sent events. I will walk through you a single request flow through the systems. This is the architecture diagram that we are using in our project. When user sends a query to the agent, it will convert that query into a post request. The post request is shared to the safety guard, which differentiates the query between a valid query and a non-valid query. We can go through these block messages. Like if the users ask these kind of messages like insider trading, money laundering, then the query will be flagged and more patterns will be identified that so that we can clearly identify is it an educational query or a flagged query. If the query is a flag query, then the agent will respond with the error message so that user can change the query and ask accordingly. If it passed through the LLM or the safety guard which we built, then the uh, state of the query will be updated to a designed diagram. The agent is routes the query to the correct mini agent, which is like portfolio agent, portfolio query, which does not uses the LLM until and unless it does not require to access uh, web search feature of Yahoo Finance with the help of MCP server. I would like to give you a sample walkthrough with my project. As it is not mentioned how we should present it, for example, front end is required or not, but I have built a sample front end with the help of basic HTML, JS, and CSS. So here, if we ask the query like, hi, it is will be general query, like the status is updated and the streaming output will be given after few seconds. If I ask something related to my portfolio, review my portfolio, status is updated and the streaming output will be returned. Like here we can see it returns the output like the total returns, analyzed return, portfolio return, alpha, and the position of the stocks. Like the top three stocks hold less than 45% of total portfolio. If we change to the empty portfolio and we ask the same, then it asks to make a new account. For concentrated profile, it flags the portfolio as a critical because it contains a stock which is more than 50%. Here, the investment strategy agent is not completed. I have introduced it as a stub right now. This was my project walkthrough. This is the readme. Complete optional answers I have given here. Also, I will explain you the code structure. The source file contains all the folders which I have used to build the project. Agents contain all the different kinds of a node agent, evaluations, files, and I have built the test cases. I have built 26 test cases for the verification of this project pipeline. Performance and cost metrics are as follows. P95 for first token is slightly higher for first output because it will uh, load the MCP server of Yahoo Finance, and the end last token is around 3.9 seconds. Cost of query is calculated as per this formula. This was my final submission. Thank you.